The Android 17 Beta 1 update is now rolling out to Google Pixel devices. So if you're using a Pixel phone that's currently running the Android 16 QPR 3 Beta 2.1, you should now be eligible to receive the Android 17 Beta 1 update on your device. Here's how to check for the Android 17 Beta 1 update on your Pixel. Open the app drawer on your Pixel phone. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Updates. Then tap System Update. Here, you can see the Android 17 Beta 1 update is available. The build version is CP21.26011.011.b1, and I'm installing this update on my Google Pixel 10. If you have any supported Pixel device, you can check right now to see if this latest Android 17 Beta 1 update is available for you. Scroll down on the update screen and you'll see the update size, which is about 843 megabytes for Android 17 Beta 1. Now tap Download and Install to install the latest Android 17 Beta 1 on your Pixel device. Once the installation is complete, we'll take a look at what's new in Android 17 Beta 1 on Google Pixel devices. That's it.